Welcome to our detailed review of the best Raiz Invest Roundup settings. Raiz Invest is one of the most user-friendly micro-investing apps, allowing you to effortlessly invest spare change from your everyday purchases into diversified portfolios. The Roundup feature is central to maximizing your investment growth with minimal effort. The Roundup setting works by linking your everyday debit or credit cards to Raiz. Every time you make a purchase, Raiz automatically rounds up the transaction to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.40, Raiz rounds it up to $4, investing the extra 60 cents. Over time, these small contributions accumulate into significant investments without affecting your cash flow noticeably. When setting up your Roundup preferences, you can choose between Roundup Only or Roundup Plus Invest Now. The first option invests only the spare change, while the second allows you to add extra contributions instantly, giving your portfolio a boost. You can also adjust the frequency of your roundups, whether daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your budgeting style and financial goals. Portfolio allocation is equally important. Raiz offers different portfolios ranging from conservative to aggressive. Linking your roundups to a diversified portfolio ensures your money grows steadily while managing risk. Monitoring your investments regularly helps you track performance and make adjustments when necessary. The simplicity of the Raiz Roundup feature makes it ideal for beginners and seasoned investors alike. Even a few dollars saved daily through roundups can grow into hundreds over time, especially when combined with consistent deposits. This seamless, automated approach turns everyday spending into meaningful investment growth, making Raiz Invest a practical choice for anyone looking to build wealth gradually. With the right settings and consistent use, Raiz Roundup feature is a powerful tool to grow your money without disrupting your lifestyle.